Hello everyone, welcome back to Shuoshuo Chinese, 说说中文. I'm Shuo, your native Chinese speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand. Do you know what is this? Green tea, 绿茶. But do you know 绿茶 has another meaning? And what is this? 柠檬. 对了. But if your friend sends you an emoji of 柠檬, what do they mean? Today, I'm gonna tell you some Chinese words and phrases that you use in your everyday life, but they also have another meaning which may make things awkward. Before starting this video, I want to mention that if you don't have many chances to talk to native Chinese people, or you don't know where to use the really useful phrases that you learned from all my videos, you can go check Hello Talk. This is the language exchange app. You can easily find a Chinese friend from Hello Talk and share your life with them. And one of the best things from using Hello Talk is that you can have the chance to get familiar with all different Chinese accents, which you probably won't hear from your Chinese teachers. People from the Hello Talk community are super nice and friendly, so there are a lot of people who are willing to help you correct your Chinese post. If you're interested, go check the link in my description and start your Hello Talk journey today. What does 绿茶 remind you of? Fresh? Simple? Well, there are one kind of girl who can also give people the same kind of feelings. But if we add another Chinese character, things will be totally changed. 表, as in, I cannot even say this word. It means bitch, or more precisely, whore. I really don't like this word, this Chinese word, because it gives a sense of a strong discrimination against women. I think that's also the reason that we will omit the last word. We will just say 绿茶 instead of 绿茶婊 to indicate this kind of girls who seems innocent and charming, but actually they are calculating and manipulative. 喂，我这么晚给你打电话，你的女朋友会不会不开心啊？不会吧？怎么了？哦，没事儿。就是我的电脑有点问题，你能来我家看一看吗？哎呀，都是我不好。我这么说，你的女朋友肯定不高兴了。Normally, a typical 绿茶 will be hard to tell. Let's do a small quiz and let's see if you can tell who is the real 绿茶。我总是穿得很性感。我每个星期都去夜店喝酒。哦，没问题，这有什么呀？啊，太简单了。哎，等一下，我打不开，你可以帮帮我吗？没找到工作吗？没关系，继续努力吧。屌丝。Let's see another word that has 绿帽子。I thought many of you guys already know it, but when I posted my Instagram story and asked you guys, what is this? 90% of the answers are 外套, 衣服, 帽子. If you don't know it, try to remember it right now. This is 绿帽子. 绿帽子 is not a normal 帽子. If you live in China and you are observant, you may notice that you never seen a 绿帽子 in any shops. In China, if a wife is having an affair with another man or woman, we can say that 她给她的老公戴了绿帽子。她给她的老公戴了绿帽子。That's why, if you Google 绿帽子 and check the image, you will see a lot of funny pictures. I also Googled why we use 绿帽子 to indicate a woman has an affair. So, how to use 绿帽子 to impress your Chinese friend? Just wear a green hat and say nothing. Naturally, it brings us to this word, 老王. The other guy that one's wife is sleeping with, we call them 老王 or 隔壁老王 Old Wang from the next door. 不要问我，我也不知道为什么。The guy's surname doesn't have to be Wang, Liu, Chen, Li, Zhang, whatever. We just call him 老王。隔壁老王. So next time if you meet a Chinese friend whose surname is Wang, which is a really common family name in China, you can ask him, 隔壁老王吗? But be careful, don't say that if you're not sure that this friend is open to any jokes. Or you can just introduce yourself. You can say, 我姓王，隔壁老王的王. Then let's talk about something sour. 醋 and níngméng. We use the word 酸 to describe the emotion of being jealous, envy, why other people have and I don't. 你看，小白的男朋友又送她包包了。哎呀，我酸了，我酸了。你看她50岁了，还那么漂亮，真是酸了。While 吃醋 is a bit different. It means that you are already in a relationship and you see that your partner is close with another person and you get jealous. You can use 吃醋 in many ways. For example, 他很喜欢吃醋。他很喜欢吃醋。我每天和小李一起回家，所以我的男朋友吃我的醋。But you can also say, 我每天和小李一起回家，所以我的男朋友吃小李的醋。所以吃谁的醋要看情况，可以是吃你另一半的醋，也可以吃和你的另一半走得很近的那个人的醋。What is the next word? 电灯泡. When you turn it on, it becomes so shining and dazzling that you cannot ignore it. Just like a friend who gets in the way of two lovers on a date or romantic situations. 今天晚上我跟我男朋友一起去看电影，要不要一起去啊？我才不要当电灯泡呢。The last word is 放鸽子. Set the pigeon free. It means blow somebody off. You can say 我又被小李放鸽子了。喂，我已经化妆了，你敢放我鸽子？诶，为什么放鸽子是这个意思呢？What have you learned from this video? Let's do a recap with the following exercise. Don't forget to leave your answers in the comment down below. Alright, so these are all the content of today's video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out the great chance to improve your Chinese. I'm Shuo from Shuoshuo Chinese. I will see you in my next video. 再见。